Okay, so Unit 4, we're going to start off slow like I talked about last week. We are going to... Oh, wait, you need to say me hi. I'm here. Okay. We're going to start out with something called geometric sequences. Now, you may remember that a unit ago, maybe, or whatever, we did arithmetic sequences. Okay, so now the key difference between arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences is very simply this. An arithmetic sequence is a common difference. Okay, remember that. A common difference is either adding or subtracting, okay? Just adding or subtracting, nothing else. A geometric sequence is multiplication. So you go from one term and you multiply that term by some number, some common ratio, it's called a common ratio, and to get the next number. And then you multiply that number by that same common ratio to get the next number. A geometric sequence is exponential. Okay, so it goes from some start point and then it goes way up very quickly. Think half of a quadratic. Okay, let's just keep that in mind for now. So we're not in quadratics anymore. We're in exponential. So it's going to look like one side of a quadratic only, or somewhat different than that, but that's okay. Don't do these two just yet. I want to work on this slowly. So the formula for geometric sequences is a sub n equals a times the quantity of r raised to the n minus 1 power. So let's go a little in depth with this. A sub n is, which term do I want? Okay. A is the first term. Okay. It's like a sub 1. Right? R is the common ratio, so the multiplier. Okay. Remember that it's a common ratio, please, please, please. And n minus 1 is, again, what term do I want? Right. So let's use this formula and do a couple of practice problems. So let's say I give you a sub 1 is 3. R is 2. Find a sub 4. Okay? So I'm giving you the first term, I'm giving you a common ratio, and I want you to find the fourth term in the sequence. So I'm going to plug in what I see. A sub 1 is 3 times the common ratio of 2, and I'm looking for the 4 minus 1, okay, or to the third. Now, just like in the previous unit, please make sure you use PEMDAS. If you put this in your calculator, it will work correctly. But just if you're doing it off the top of your head, 2 has to be raised to the third power first. So 2 to the third power, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So this is essentially 3 times 8, so it's 24. So the fourth term in sequence is 24. Now let's think about that a little bit, right? First term is 3. Okay? If the common ratio is 2, that means the second term has to be 6. Right? Because 3 times 2 is 6. That means the third term is times 2, which is